It's the same when pretending. Put it down, the U-shaped place at the bottom. Right into that card slot. And then that one has 2 ticks on it. Get stuck in that dark place up and down. Get stuck in. After the card is finished, we'll tighten this up. And lock this up. And then, if there's nothing here, put this empty one up there, too. Hold it tight, and then press it tight. First of all, note the sample from here to below. The flat ball is full. Okay, then plug it in. Now let's make some adjustments. Take out one of our spare screwdrivers. Transfer here. Set it to that, it's red, glowing infrared. Aim at that capillary. The scale above the glass capillary.